We begin tonight with a case that we've been following for more than a year now. An accused serial rapist appearing in court today for a key evidentiary hearing that could potentially allow for 2 additional alleged victim stories to be included in his case. Good evening, and thanks so much for joining us. For 12 News at 10, I'm Tram Mai. Mark and Caribe had the night off. James Estep was arrested on 30 felony counts last year, accused of assaulting or attacking at least 6 victims. 12 News journalist Bianca Bono listened to today's hours-long hearing and is reporting from Maricopa County Superior Court.
After a full day's worth of testimony from multiple detectives, essentially a mini trial, we're learning more about what James Estep is accused of and that there could potentially be more victims out there.
He was choking her.
Detailed and disturbing evidence laid out in an hours-long hearing on Friday involving an accused serial rapist.
He again told her that she needed to stop resisting so she could see her family again.
Defendant James Estep was indicted on 30 felony counts last year, accused of sexually assaulting, kidnapping, or attacking at least 6 victims between 2018 and 2023. But the prosecutor alleges there are at least 2 additional victims whose cases have not been charged. And it's those 2 cases that are at the center of this hearing.
My plan is to present testimony about both of the 404 uncharged victims first.
The 2 alleged incidents happened in 2017 and 2020.
Nobody has talked to about this incident since 2017, correct?
That appears correct.
Both alleged victims were tenants in Estep's home. One had autism.
She said that he pushed her head down.
The state's attorney is asking the judge to allow information from the uncharged alleged incidents to be included in the current case against Estep. So on Friday, they called detective after detective to testify what they say Estep did in their jurisdictions.
She could not breathe and telling her that she could do it passed out.
In that incident, he was choking her.
Last year, the Maricopa County Attorney's Office faced criticism because prior to his August arrest and lengthy indictment, Estep had been arrested twice before. Both times, charges didn't stick, and he was released, only to allegedly offend again. The final straw, allegedly picking up a minor at a light rail stop, offering her a ride home, then sexually assaulting her.
Placed his foot on her neck, stomped her neck, and that he punched her several times in the face. She noted that he choked her and strangled her.
One of the final witnesses called to the stand was a clinical and forensic psychologist. She reviewed the alleged serial rapist's police reports.
The behaviors would indicate there's a propensity to sexually rape or have non-consensual sadistic sex with partners.
And the judge not making a ruling just yet. This case will continue next Friday. Now, the defense has filed a motion to sever the counts, meaning if granted, there will have to be a separate trial for each alleged victim. We're in Phoenix. Bianca Bono, 12 News.
Bianca, thank you.